Okay guys, we continue. Now we are looking at a different method, which is substitution. So we are looking at how to solve simultaneous equation using substitution method. So for example, if you have a question like solve 2x plus y is equal to 5, then x plus 2y is equal to negative 2. Okay, so if we are using substitution method is different from the one we did, the previous one, which is elimination method. So under substitution method, you have to make one variable the subject of the formula and one of the equation, then you get the other equation you replace. For example, 2x plus y is equal to 5. You can either make x subject of the formula, or you make y. Or you get the second equation, you make x subject to the formula. So elimination method, if you want to make x or y subject to the formula, you have to get a variable which has a coefficient less than 2, which is 1. So if we look at these two equations, here the coefficient of y is 1, the coefficient of x is 1, and they are both positive. So we can either make y subject to the formula, or we make x subject to the formula. So we are going to get the first equation and we make y subject to the formula. So we get 2x plus y is equal to 5. Then we make y subject to the formula using the first equation. So to be 2x minus 2x plus y is equal to 5. There is something that we have introduced here which will make 2x to be transported to the other side, which is negative x. So we also introduce there negative 2x. So this will give us 0. This will be y is equal to 5 minus 2x. This means that we have made y subject to the formula. Y is equal to 5 minus 2x. So we are going to go to the second equation. Where there is y, we replace with 5 minus 2x. So we get x plus 2y is equal to negative 2. Where there is y, we replace with 5 minus 2x. So it will be x plus 2 open bracket 5 minus 2x, because then is equal to negative 2. So now here we only have a single variable or a single letter, which is just x. So it means we can solve now for x. So it will be x. We expand this. So it will be positive 2 multiplied by positive 5. It will be positive 10. Positive 2 multiplied by negative 2x, it will be negative 4x is equal to negative 2. Then now we can correct the like terms. This will be negative, or x minus 4x is equal to negative 2 minus 10. X minus 4x to be negative 3x is equal to negative 2 minus 10, it will be negative 12. Then we can divide both sides by negative 3x to remain with x. So it will be negative 3, negative 3. Then x will be equal to negative divided by negative, it is a positive. So 3 into 12, it's 4. It means we have solved it for x. Now we go to the original equation and get one of the equation. So we get 2x plus y is equal to 5. Okay. If you have solved for a single letter, you can also get the equation where you made y subject to the formula, then you replace where there is x with 4. Or you go back to the original equation. So this means that where there is x, we are going to replace with 4. So it will be 2 open bracket 4 plus y is equal to 5. 2 multiplied by 4, it is 8 plus y is equal to 5. Then y is equal to 5 minus 8. Sorry. Five minus 8, then y is equal to 5 minus 8 to be negative 3. So it means we have solved for y and x. We can also prove to show whether the variables that we have found, the values that we have found for the variables x and y, if the values are correct. We get the first equation, we say 2x plus y is equal to 5. Then 2, where there is x, we replace with 4. Where there is y, we replace with negative 3 is equal to 5. So this will be 2 multiplied by 4, it is 8. Positive times negative, it is negative 3, should give us 5. So 8 minus 3, it is 5, is equal to 5, which means in the first equation, these two values qualifies to be the values of x and y. We try the second equation, which is x plus 2y is equal to negative 2. Where there is y, we replace with negative 3. Where there is x, with positive 4. So it's 4 plus 2 open brackets, negative 3 is equal to negative 2. So 4 positive 2 multiplied by negative 3, this will give us, negative 6, should give us negative 2. So 4 minus 6 is negative 2, is equal to negative 2. So this shows that x is equal to 4 and y is equal to, negative 3, which we found. So these are the values of x and y.